Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. This is Maida, your girl right here. I hope everything is fine with you guys. In today's video, I have a transformation look where I'm basically doing my hair and makeup and showing you guys how I do it. If you want to know how I did and I got this amazing look, honey, keep on watching. So I'm gonna start by doing I already did the bald cap technique on my head. I did not show this part of the video because honestly I thought it wasn't like very important, but if you guys want to see how I apply it and how I do it, I can do a separate video on how to do the bald cap wig technique. And here I'm installing this wig. So basically I received 3 bundles of 20 inches of straight Brazilian hair and a frontal that had 16 inches, and I made the wig myself. Right now I'm just applying some Got To Be glue, the one that comes in the black bottle, because it's the one that I like the most. And I applied first first line, and then I dry it completely with my blow dryer in cold air, and then I put a second layer of the glue right on top of the one that I already did, and I blow dry it, but I made sure it's not like fully dry. And then I sprayed a little bit of the Got To Be glue hairspray, and I placed my wig, and I started like placing my wig on top of it. I made sure I am not getting any of my little baby hairs on the way. This frontal brought a lot of baby hairs, and I also did customize it so it does have a lot of baby hairs. And yeah, so just make sure you're not getting the baby hairs on the way. All of that I'm doing it with my blow dryer set on cold. So yeah.
It's Silas, the marvelous producer.
I have been trying this wig for about 2 weeks now, and the hair is so nice. It takes heat very well and it doesn't shed almost nothing. It really is nice, honestly. So now I'm gonna start doing my baby hairs, and basically I'm just gonna like take a few of the little hairs and I'm gonna put some foaming mousse or wrapping mousse, I don't know how you guys call it, on the hair to lay the back. And then I'm also gonna use the foaming mousse to make my baby hairs. Lately I have been using the foaming to do my baby hairs because I feel like it just gives it more of a natural look, and the gel or the Got To Be glue always makes my baby hairs harden and then has like a lot of residue. I don't have that effect with the foaming mousse on my hair. So I'm gonna move on to my face, and I'm gonna start off using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Deep Brow Pomade to do my eyebrows real quick, and then I'm gonna clean them up with this black radiance concealer. All the details on shades and colors and all that stuff will be in the description box. I do not remember every single shade that I use of all the products that I use, but I know what I know, you know. But anyways, oops. So yeah, I'm just cleaning up my eyebrows, and then I'm gonna use the same concealer as a eyelid base for my eyeshadows. And I'm gonna start using this Zulu palette. I think it's the Zulu palette, I'm not quite sure. I'm gonna start using the Zulu palette, and I'm gonna use the brown eyeshadow that is right there, and I'm gonna concentrate it on the outer part of my eyelid, and I'm just gonna blend it just a tiny bit into my crease. And then I'm gonna grab this Tarte palette, and I'm gonna take this dark brown and just place it a tiny bit on top of the brown I already put. And then I'm gonna take the Stila liquid eyeshadow, and I'm gonna do like a cut crease, but not really a cut crease, but you know, the applicator makes it super easy, so it gives it a very clean cut crease look. And then I'm gonna also do an eyeliner using my favorite NYX Cosmetics Epic Ink eyeliner, which is hands down one of the best and affordable eyeliners out there. I'm gonna move on to my complexion, and per usual I'm gonna start with some primer. This one is the Smashbox smoothing primer, really good for oily skin. And I'm gonna use the Lancome Idole foundation. This is one of the foundations that matches my skin the best, and I love it. And then I'm just gonna keep going with the highlight and contour. You guys already know how all of this works. By the way, you guys, I just started using this Fenty Beauty setting powder, and I am so in love. Like, this powder looks so good on my skin, and it makes my skin look amazing. It's just like one of the best powders I've ever used to set my makeup.
Bossy, bossy.
So guys, we are getting to the end of the makeup. I'm gonna use a NYX Cosmetics brown liner, and then I'm gonna put some pink/peach melted by Too Faced lip gloss, and I'm gonna top it with some clear gloss just to make it pop a little bit more. You know, I like to be a little extra sometimes. Then I'm gonna move on and finish up my hair. I'm just gonna flat iron my hair real quick because I like the straight look with this wig, and I'm gonna do a side part. I already wore this wig for like 2 weeks, and I was wearing the middle part and I loved it, but I wanted to switch it up this time and wear the side part. So far, this wig from Victoria's Wig, it's been very nice. I've been flat iron the hair almost like 2 or 3 times a week every time I go out, and it just holds very well. And yeah, it takes heat pretty well. I did bleach the knots on the frontal and it looks amazing. and I don't see no difference. You know, sometimes the hair has like a different texture from the frontals and the bundles, but this one doesn't have it. I really recommend it, and I have a coupon code that you guys can use to purchase some of this hair. I'm gonna put it somewhere in the screen. I hope you guys liked the video and enjoy the transformation. Me, I did went out after this because the look was so bum I couldn't just stay home, honey. And yeah, I hope you guys like this video. If you guys want to see more videos like this where I do hair and makeup, please let me know. I definitely enjoy making I definitely enjoy making transformation look videos, and I know you guys like those videos too, so definitely let me know in the comment sections, and also like the video if you did like it. And if you're not subscribed yet, I don't know what you're waiting, honey. You should subscribe now. See you on my next video. Besitos. Mwah.
Oh, you already know. It's Melody Songs, the humble producer.